My name is Aaron, and I am currently studying electrical engineering. Me pursuing my higher education has been kind of a rocky road. I initially stopped school when I was 19. At the time, I was taking care of my family, and they were the ones that were important to me at the time. When I was working in the factory, college was a far option for me. But I crave knowledge. I'm always a student. I love to learn. And I came back 6 years later. I went a couple of years, 2-3 years, and then I decided to stop when the pandemic happened. ReUp actually reached out to me. At the time, I was still considering coming back to school, and I just hadn't put anything into place. They kind of fast-tracked everything for me, and they have been instrumental in my successes to getting back into school. They help me keep focus and just maintain certain goals that are achievable and help me kind of like track my progress along the way. I think ReUp differs from what the university does on a more personal level. I know that they're going to see me for who I am and what I've been through, and they can adjust and tinker things in the way that helps me succeed. They taught me to think about things in a different light. They asked me questions like, how do I want to be perceived? And this grit and this determination that I have, how do I apply it to other aspects of my life, not just inside the classroom, but outside as well. When I was 19, I thought I would just be in that factory the rest of my life. Having the support system I have and the people around me that I have really showed me that I can achieve more. Now my future is brighter than it's ever been, and who knows where I'll be. I mean, I might travel to space one day, who knows?